Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. And today I want to show you how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube video. Very easy to do on your phone and with this app called InShot. I use the free version. You can get the pro version. There are some benefits to it and it's affordable, but the free one has worked well. So you want to download that. I'm doing again on my Android phone for this video. That's what I use most. This is a great app as well for creating different videos, editing other different photos and collages, but we're just going to create today the thumbnail. So you're going to come here and click photo, and you're going to find a photo that you like. So let's just say I am going to pick this photo. Now, you can see there's a lot of white space on top. Now you could do one of two things. You could change the background and pick any color. So we'll do black. Or the right way to really make this work is what you're going to do is on the bottom left, you're going to click this canvas icon, and then you're going to click ratio and then 16:9. So now this is properly fit for your YouTube video. You're going to click check, and then just make sure it's checked, and then you could just you could see there's different options, but you always want to make sure it's 16:9 for the photo. You could pinch and zoom and adjust as well if you need to. So you're done. Now on the bottom here you have a lot of options, but next you want to add some text. So we're going to do hiking video as the example. Now you could type whatever you want, and then you can adjust the size. So there you go. Now let's just say you want to edit the font. You press the A, and then there's different fonts that you can use. So you find the one I like. I happen to like permanent marker. Then you can also choose the color. If you want to change the color, you can make it red. In this case, it's really pronounced. Now if I click the check button box, it's now done, but you can go back in and edit. You can move it. You can actually put this on an angle. It's stuck. There we go. And then you can put it on an angle with that corner, the bottom right corner. And then if you need to, and you want to adjust the font, let me just fix this. You press that pencil mark, and that brings the keyboard back. Also, you can change the font and adjust accordingly. Also, again, the colors. And let's just say you're going to choose red. All right, so once you click that, you're going to save it. You can also, again, if you need to crop anything, you can crop. There's all sorts of different icons, but this is what I do, and very quick, and then I click save. So now it's done. Then what you want to do is you want to go into your YouTube video app, to the studio app, and then once you're in the video, you go to the edit thumbnail, and then you'll see you can use one of the ones that they had made for you, or you can change the one as I had made. And then you click on that image, you click select, and that's it. And now I click save, and there it is. So now when people go see my YouTube video, it's done. I've got a good proper thumbnail. It kind of says what this video is about, and the font pops well. There's obviously other software solutions that you could even get more involved and more detail, but this works well. This is a great way, especially if you're new with YouTube, or you just want to make it easier because you've done something on your phone, you can't get to your computer. This is a good way to make a thumbnail for your YouTube video. So I hope this is of help. If you have any questions, let me know. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.